Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last night I got a phone call from the partner of an old friend of mine, and he hits the big 50 in January. He turns 50. It's a big birthday for him, and his partner, who I've also known for a long time, contacted me because she's planning a party for him. But as she said, it's supposed to be a surprise, so could I keep it on the down low? When you talk about something being on the down low, you basically mean it's secret or not many people know it. So maybe, for example, there are two colleagues at work who've been having a relationship on the down low. Or it's kind of common knowledge, I guess, that lots of professional people do drugs on the down low. Maybe you know about something that you're not supposed to tell people and you try and keep it on the down low, but then your brother finds out and he's like some kind of public broadcasting service, and before you know it, everybody else finds out too. Maybe you want to just tell people, listen, keep this on the down low, but I'm actually going to quit my job next month. I just don't want anybody to know before I finally hand in my notice. And maybe you or your partner are pregnant and your parents already know about the pregnancy, but apart from that, you're trying to keep it on the down low. You want it to stay on the down low. So I'm telling you, but keep it between me, you, and these four walls. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use on the down low.